Hello friends, welcome to another PowerQuery QuickBytes video. For any analysis or report preparation, working with dates plays an important part. Although Excel has functions available for handling dates-related challenges, but it requires significant effort to implement it. In this video, we are going to see how we use date transformations using PowerQuery in simple steps. Let's get started. In the order table, we have two columns for date and time, order date and ship date. Let's see how we can extract date-related transformations. Close the data file and open new blank workbook. Go to Data, Get Data, from File, from Workbook, and select the file which has the data tables. Now select the required data tables and click Transform Data. PowerQuery has two segments, Transform and Add Column. Some of the features in PowerQuery are available under both the ribbons. Then what is the difference? As the name suggests, if you want to make changes to existing column, then use options available under Transform ribbon. And if you want to extract details in new columns, then use options available under Add column. Right now, our objective is to create additional columns with date transformations, so we will be using options available under Add column. Few of the common date transformations we need are getting year and month from the date. For that, select the date column, click on Add column, date, click year, then start of the year. Or if we need month, then click on month and start of the month. If we need to add quarter of the year, select the date column, add column, date, quarter, start of the quarter. It's so simple. I can quickly change the format to suit our requirement. You will notice that whatever steps we are performing, PowerQuery is listing all of them under applied steps. In case you want to revert any change, all you need to do is just click the delete icon next to the steps. There are other date transformations available under date section, which you will find useful, like start and end of the week, name of the day such as Sunday, Monday. Accomplishing all this through conventional Excel formulas require expertise, but with PowerQuery, all this can be accomplished through mouse clicks. That's all for now. I hope you will find this useful. Let me know in comments. Please visit vivran.in for more quick bites. Thanks for watching.